everyone! Today is a very special day. It is prom day! Woo! Senior prom day. Who thought the day would ever come? I surely didn't. It is now 10 o'clock. I woke up at like 9:30. So right now I'm gonna go pick up my friend and we're gonna get smoothie bowls. Then I'm gonna go to CVS and buy disposable cameras like these. You know, like these things. And I'm gonna try to take some cool pictures tonight because, you know, prom. And I'll come back, get ready, blah, blah, blah. You know, we'll all do this together. We're gonna do this hand in hand, you and I. Yeah, right now, let's go get some breakfast with my friend. Transition. Bing. There's Michaela. Oh my God, how's your morning been?
Fine, I woke up so late, it's so bad.
Alrighty lads, we have just returned. I just had breakfast. After that, I went to my friend Michaela's flower shop because she comes from a family of florists. So let's take a look, shall we? Look at all the colors. My dress is black and then my jewelry is like silver. So yeah, I'm super happy with my flowers. Exciting. I'm gonna start with my hair now. Look at the shit on the road. Ya dig. Andrew, you're going dirt bike riding today?
Ya dig.
Ya dig. So you're not coming to any of my prom festivities?
Ya dig.
Ya dig.
Yeah, basically.
You will be dearly missed in this video.
No, I won't.
Yeah, you will.
No.
Yeah. Ah! What's up? Alright, I put my hair in this bun so I can do my makeup. And y'all are gonna think, what the fuck, but you just curled your hair. And that's because I want it to like uncurl a bit. It'll be fine. Come on, relax. I just washed my face again. I put like rose hip oil and like some moisturizers on it. So shall I introduce like the characters of tonight, you know? Just so y'all can like follow along with the video. So my like main group of 4 friends, including me, is me, Michaela, Olivia, and Tori. And then after prom, we're going to our friend Aiden's house. And there's gonna be like a bunch of other people there. And the 2 that have dates are Tori's going with her boyfriend and Olivia's going with a friend. And then me and Michaela are going together, woo! So shall I get started on my face makeup? I don't know how to do makeup either, so do not come at me for that. Oh, so let me just talk about prom. So last year, junior prom, I went with my friend Matt. And if you watch the video on my sister's channel, you can watch all about it. It was a good time. Now, last year, everyone was a lot more stressed out because it was the first prom we'd all ever been to. This year, very minimal planning with a lot of good friends. I'm very excited. It all worked out very well in my opinion. So basically, prom is very overhyped. And I act like it's some magical night when really all you do is stand in a room with music playing. That is it. My advice is if you don't have a date and you're freaking out, I would say cut it out. I'm just kidding, because I don't know, people be going crazy like at everyone's necks trying to find some random person to go with just so that they can like take pictures with a guy, and I fully do not understand that. Like, I don't know why that would matter. I'm very happy to be going by myself. Last year I went with my guy friend, and I would highly recommend that if you have a guy friend and you want to have a date, go for it. It was really fun. If you don't have a guy friend or like you don't have a boyfriend, I would say don't go and try and find some random person to go with that you're like not close with at all, because it'll just like kind of ruin your night, because then you're kind of attached to them and it just ends up being very odd. My advice is either go with a group of friends or go with a guy friend or a girlfriend. You know how this shit works. Oh my God. Now I have to include this because it's so funny. So obviously you know what senior superlatives are in the yearbook, of course. My friend Michaela is not a rapper. She dabbles in beatboxing, but for some reason they added a superlative at my school and it's called most likely to win a rap battle. No one knew who to write because there's no like SoundCloud rappers at my school, so no one knew what to do. So everyone was like, just put Michaela. And she won, which is so funny. And her picture's so funny. Please look at this. Look at this child going crazy. She really did that. Last year I went to some park for prom pictures, and honestly I don't even really recommend a park because the pictures ended up being like really weirdly like green and yellow tinted, which sounds like kind of cool until it happens. So we're going to Capitol buildings. It has like a white and gray color scheme rather than like green and brown like a park would. Why did I do any of this? Oh, also advice is try and keep prices low. None of this night is worth spending $1,000 over. Do not do that. Putting some barbecue sauce on my face. This is like a bronzer gel. Oh Lord, that's too much. I put on too much. This is too much. This is too much. Oh no, 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 no. Actually, no, it looks freaking fine. I don't give a fuck. I don't even give a fuck though. Oh Lord. Oh! Oh, Bubby. Look at this beautiful animal on my bed. That's amazing. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Hi, Bubby. Can you hold the camera? Yeah. Catch. Alright, lads. I finished all my makeup except for my fake lashes and mascara. Now we're gonna go buy disposable cameras. Let's go CVS, baby. No, 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 no. my prom pictures. What? You stop pointing at you? It's called my video. I asked you to be my videographer, not your own.
Amber, I know, I just forgot that where I was pointing in camera.
This is my special day.
It's my birthday. Hold up. You realize how much pain this causes to my arm?
Get your workout in, scumbag.
You're putting in the most absolutely painful position.
Hi.
Okay.
Hold it. Shut the up. I'm driving. Hold it down.
Include that so everyone can see what bitch you are. Oh, you got so flamed, now you're crunchy like a toast.
Got so flamey, got crunchy like a toasty. Nails on my fingers.
Kendrick Lamar.
Got a fucking roasty. Hose. Hose at the...
It actually sounds like Kendrick Lamar.
Stay mad.
Stop trying to flex that you're driving a Honda.
It's really no big deal. There's really not that much to it. Humble. Farms.
Cumberland Farms.
Grandpa.
Airplane.
Dog.
Dead.
Propellers.
That's just a story.
That's word association.
Prom.
Vlog.
David Dobrik.
Wait, can I start? Prom.
Sexy.
David Dobrik. Oh, damn. No matter what you said, I was gonna say David Dobrik, and it's just amazing. David Dobrik. I'm just gonna go to CVS like with my face caked. Yeah.
These guys were like, why is this stupid ass turning this way? It's because I'm leaving this way, dumbass.
You guy. Why is this guy so judgmental of me? Watching me drive. Shut the f up, loser. You know what's crazy?
What?
Finish each other's sandwiches. Oh, yes. Ooh, when I got green arrow. Yeah. Get it. Oh my god, I shut the car off while I was in drive.
Danos looks like a gummy vitamin.
10 out of 10 would smash that gummy vitamin.
Extreme beauty controversy on the internet. Retweet if you understand.
Danos. What? Wait. Jeffree Star who? Canceled.
Patrick Star who? Canceled.
Why?
Because
oh, Patrick Star.
Couldn't.
Weird.
Oh my god, Amber, you look like the sexy rabbit from Looney Tunes. No,
They keep pointing at me.
yes.
Weird. Stop! Look at her titties are hanging out.
Of course they are, mother.
I'm just kidding. Who's Daisy and Gatsby? I'm really Daisy in this bitch. It's no big deal. Toothpick. Yeah!
Don't.
Yeah!
Don't.
Like glued down a fuzz. Ah! Oh.
We're on our way. Oh, they're right there.
Oh my god. This is not my style. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, it's Pappy. Why is mom doing that? The camera's legit gonna die. Okay, I love this song.
Alright, so we are now heading out, about to drive an hour away to our prom location because
Oh my god, I forgot.
our school decided to make it so far away.
Dang, I forgot it's that far away.
Yeah, but anyways. Yeah, dig.
Yes.
Oh, thank you. Alright guys, we're at prom.
Trash, but it's okay.
Oh, ain't it? Yeah. We are currently eating. We talked to a few people, took a few pictures.
No, we're not really eating anything. Driving, but all these can suck our period.
Oh my god,
I'm joking.
It's prom! Ah! Alright, so I guess we're gonna eat for a bit and then we'll see what happens. Oh, I've been carrying this around. I'm taking a few pictures. Very exciting. You know what I'm saying? They aren't calling our table to get food. So people are getting a little angry.
Okay, let's go. Let's just go.
Okay, we're just gonna go. Alright. I don't know. What's that?
Wait, should I eat one? It's a beef slider. It's a beef slider. Oh. Thank you.
298 frozen patties later.
Wait, why can I not cut?
It's just like fish.
Oh my god, you're so right.
Is it fish?
That is not fish. Are you kidding me? Come on, baby.
Later that same evening.
Thank you so much. I don't understand.
Oh, she did that.
Alright guys, we're currently changing and taking off our makeup, and then we're heading over to our friend Aiden's. So this is the last you will see of me in this attire.
You're next. Get up. Now you're crying.
Who's crying? Oh my god, hello everyone. We are at Aiden's house. Can we do a little rundown of what prom was like?
Of course, of course. So basically, I mean, the food they tried better than last year.
No good.
But no one ate.
was not good,
Music, it was all remixed into each other. No music, period.
I thought junior prom was more fun.
To be honest, yeah. It felt like it was longer and worth our money.
Yeah.
This year, it just went by so fast.
And it was so expensive
Yeah.
for like nothing.
Yeah, junior prom was more exciting because it was our first time doing it, so we were all like, and then we all like actually tried. I mean, this year I didn't try at all, so that was
No,
different
you
for
tried
me.
more than last year. You danced like this.
Okay. Wait, that was last year or this year?
This year. Last year, you were like this. Oh my god, I gotta go to the bathroom.
No, I was not.
gotta go fish.
Well, I'm just looking forward to next year. Next year's prom.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
One pair of pants later.
Good morning. I just left the house that I was staying at. I had a fantastic night with all my pals. Prom went by really fast because they made us wait for like 2 hours to get the food, and then we had like an hour to like dance, and then we left, which was freaking weird. And junior prom was a lot more fun because it was the first one we'd been to, so we were all like kind of freaked out for it, and then we had a good time. This one we didn't care like at all, kind of. So it was kind of like chill, you know what I'm saying? Sorry, a lot of the videos during prom were very scattered. It was just very weird to film. Also, the little disposable camera I bought, hopefully those will get developed soon. I'm super excited to look at the disposable pictures. But now we're heading out to New York City. It's kind of hectic. So that's gonna be it for my prom vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Adios, amigos.
I'm all lost in the super